how to move pictures and graphs freely in Microsoft Word. As you can see, moving a picture to a certain place can be a frustrating task when you're not aware about the versatility and tools available to you in Microsoft Word. Right-click the picture or graph and here navigate to Wrap Text. This will give you all of the layout options which can be applied to easier format your document. I like to use Square, but some of these options have better use cases depending on the situation. You can also select to fix the position of the picture or graph on the page. This will in turn prevent it from moving up and down when adding or deleting text. When you are unsure about which option to choose from here, then select More Layout Options. On this document, under Text Wrapping, you will see with these icons what each setting is changing in your document. I hope this helped you out. Feel free to use a playlist linked in the description below for more help and leave a comment if you have any questions.